Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a gift card to your Chipotle app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, basically to add a gift card, we need to get to the checkout section or your payment section to add this in. So go ahead and make your order. I've already got an order here in my cart. So I'm going to go ahead and click onto my cart. I'm going to order chicken burrito here. I can edit it if I like, complete my order, scroll down. If you've got any promo codes, you can put a promo code here as well. And then from here, click on continue to pick up. Then this is going to select payment method. So add payment method or new, then choose gift card. And then from there, you want to enter your gift card number and PIN, which is usually found on the back of your card or in your e-gift email. Then tap add card to save it to your account. Once added, the gift card will appear in your list of payment methods. And if your gift card doesn't cover the whole amount, you need to use your credit card, debit card to put in the remaining of the funds to complete your order.